Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a saved chart layout in TradingView. If you've ever experimented with different setups or accidentally created too many layouts, you know things can get messy pretty fast. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to know exactly how to clean up and organize your TradingView workspace by getting rid of any layouts you no longer need. This only takes a minute once you know where to look, but if you're new to TradingView or just haven't explored all the menu options yet, it's easy to miss. So let's get right into it. First, head up to the top right corner of your TradingView screen. Right near the center top, you'll see the name of your current chart layout. Maybe it says Default, Analysis, or whatever you've named it. Next to this name, there's a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on that little arrow. What we're doing here is opening the menu with all your saved chart layouts. This is where TradingView stores every workspace you've saved, so it's kind of like the file cabinet for your trading setups. Once you've clicked that dropdown, a menu will appear showing all your current layouts. Now what you want to do is move your mouse down toward the bottom of this menu. Sometimes the layouts you want to remove might not be right at the top, so it's worth taking an extra second to scroll and make sure you see everything. Look for the Open Layout option sometimes, especially if you have a lot of layouts saved. You'll notice that they're grouped there. Click right where it says Open Layout. This part might feel a little hidden, so don't worry if you had to hunt for it. After you open up this section, you'll see a list of all your saved layouts. Here, where the magic happens. When you move your mouse over any layout in this list, notice that a small trash can or trash icon appears either to the right or just beside the layout name. This icon only appears when you hover over, which is why some people don't spot it right away. TradingView does this to keep your workspace tidy, but it means you have to know where to look. Now, all you need to do is click that trash icon for the layout you want to delete. TradingView will usually ask you to confirm, just as a little safeguard so you don't accidentally delete something important. If you're sure that's the one you want to remove, confirm the action and just like that, poof, your extra or unwanted chart layout is gone. Don't worry if you delete the wrong layout. Just take your time and double-check the names before you hit the trash button. And that's it, you've successfully decluttered your TradingView layouts. It might seem a little hidden if you've never looked for it, but once you know the steps, it's a breeze. Keeping your workspace organized not only makes TradingView easier to use, but it keeps you focused on your trading analysis instead of hunting for the right chart setup. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It lets me know you enjoyed it and helps more traders find this guide. Got any questions or stuck somewhere? Just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on TradingView and all things trading. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.